Now hitting the East Coast, the Max Sprinter van, loaded with our top gate operator solutions, including the MXG series slide gate operator. With Erik Ortiz, our dedicated Eastern Regional sales rep, behind the wheel, we're ready to deliver top-tier support and expertise across the region. Whether it's a hands-on demo or on-site training, this van is equipped to showcase our latest gate operator and access control solutions on the go. Curious to learn more? Reach out to Erik and schedule your demo today.